Hey there, in this video I will show you how to add a picture to a contact on your Nokia 3.4. Alright, to do that it's fairly simple. First we need to go to a phone where all contacts are. Click on contacts icon and select the contact you want. I don't really have contacts here, but here's a sample one. Click on it and you will see a button, edit contact, appear here. Click on that button and here you will see a blue icon. Click on it and now you can either choose a photo you already got on your phone or take a new photo. Let's take a new photo. And I will take photo of this box. Now the photo is taken. It asks you to confirm. Yep, that's fine. And you can even edit here a bit. Okay, press done. And now you will see that it has added a picture to your contact. Now click save. Click save and here you got picture to your contact. And now when someone actually calls you, your contact name will appear and also the person's picture. Also, if you want to add this contact with this picture to your home screen, so it's really fast to ring that person, click here on these three dots and select add to home screen. It will select on it automatically and it should be added on the home screen somewhere. Right. So you can see it's added right here and displays a picture of the person and the name. So if you click on it, it opens straight away as a contact and you can easily call him. Right, that's obviously a valid number, but yeah, you got the point. Alright, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. Also, if you want to see more videos about the Nokia 3.4, consider subscribing. Alright, see you!